So where are we going, Hen?
Today we're back in the Kawartha Highlands, going to Coon Lake.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out in the sea. It is Labor Day weekend, and a lot of people are enjoying the outdoors. It's such a beautiful day. So we're gonna check it out, see if it's not too crowded, and check out Coon Lake.
Yep, today because there's a lot of people out here, but we found a spot along the edge of the road. We're getting ready. We're all set.
Oh, beautiful. Lots of cottages up here, but then we're going interiors. We're going inside the park.
Alright, so we're underway on Coon. We've actually gone halfway across the lake already. It was a bit windy at the one side, so it didn't really tape us leaving out there, but there are boats on this lake, as you can see. And Marissa just wanted to have a look at these trees. Alright, well, as you can see, we are at Coon Lake, and we're going to do this portage to Little Turtle Lake.
And I think we'll stay in Little Turtle for a while, and then maybe portage up to the falls.
Yeah, there's some really short little portages.
Yeah.
To go to the falls. So we'll do that and have lunch, and then we'll come back. But this is a steep one. Alright, we're at the other end. So this is, well, it seemed like a long portage, but I did it all in one shot. Just put in. And my mountain climber mule. Yeah. And oh man, that yoke pad is wonderful. Alright, we're just about to head out into Little Turtle Lake. Okay, now we're on Little Turtle, and you can probably see the sign there. It's to Adams, so we're going to Adams Lake. Adams is next. So this is just a 67-meter portage, so we'll do two little hikes.
Always a welcome sight to see the lake. Oh, so beautiful.
Your taxi, madam.
Oh, it's just a little steep here, huh? A little bit.
A little bit.
paddles. Whoop. Back.
Alright, well, we're at the put-in at Adams Lake. Very short little portage. You can almost see the other side from here. So, and then I'm assuming the next portage is just over there, and that is where the falls
Honey.
is. And Kermie's trying to get away. Quiet little lake, even smaller than Little Turtle. So here we are, 10-meter portage to Sawmill from Adams. Just a short little tiny wee thing. Yeah. A petite portage.
Nice. It's so cool. Birdies up in the tree. Wow. So, this is the portage. So, just hello.
Hello. I remember to take my hat off
Yeah.
before I put this other hat on.
There's the other lake. And there's the other lake.
Here we are in Sawmill, and it's really just a skinny wee path through a marsh till we get out into the real lake. So Sawmill, there's another portage. It's
495.
but we're not doing this one. We're just gonna go for a hike and see there's a falls along here. Wow, the view from way up here on the rock. Yeah, lunchtime. Oh, I'll lose Kermie if I don't get down there. Alright, we'll leave Kermie here for a few minutes while we go and reload our bodies.
Portage sign.
Yeah.
We can have lunch. It's 2 o'clock, I think. No?
Around there. So we get home till about 6 tonight, but our cats are fine.
Yep. Can we rest? Ladies?
Well, we just took a little side path this very pleasant little waterfall. Parts of it you could actually canoe, but